Alright, hello and welcome back to the channel. So, for today's video, we're going to try to shoot on a budget. So when I mean shoot on a budget, what we want to do is try to get the bare minimum in terms of gear. So we're going to take an entry-level camera and cheapest lens we can get. And we're going to try to see if we can take some decent pictures. So we've got the Canon 1300d, which is an older model, entry-level model. And as for the lens, the cheapest lens you can get is the 50mm f1.8 STM. Also, the thing only comes with 9 focus points, which with the higher end bodies, you get 45 focus points. So you really have to think of how you want to compose your shot. It's not the easiest thing in the world to shoot handheld video and shoot stills at the same time. So the wonderful thing about an f1.8 lens, a prime lens, fast lens, is that you can get that subject separation, that depth of field that you want. You can isolate your subject and blur out the background, or you get that nice bokeh. So you might be saying, sure, it might be good to take pictures of cats, plants, and all these other things I've been taking pictures of. But what about portraits? Well, the 1300d along with the 50mm 1.8 STM was actually my first setup. So I'll be flashing some portraits on screen, and these were taken with the 1300d along with the 50mm lens. So I guess the question that we're left with is price. A 1300d brand new is 18,000 pesos. I'm not quite sure how that converts into dollars. I'll put it up on the screen, probably somewhere around here. As for a 50mm f1.8, that would be around the price range of 6,000 pesos for some stores. But again, these are brand new, so if we were going to get something secondhand, a 1300d secondhand would be, cheapest I saw in mine was about 10,000 pesos, and for a 50mm f1.8 you'd probably get one for 4,000, 3,500, probably 4,000, but again, you get what you pay for it. So when buying secondhand gear, you gotta check out the gear and make sure you're getting what you paid for it. You're not getting the shit stuff. One thing you have to remember though, the 1300d is a crop sensor, so the 50mm comes closer to an 80mm lens, given the crop factor. So it's gonna be you're gonna get pretty tight shots. I guess that's pretty much all that I can say about the 1300d, paired up with a 50mm 1.8 lens. It is a budget-friendly setup, so you do get what you pay for. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if anyone uses a 1300d, also known as a Rebel T6. What problems, what limitations you've encountered, and how you try to address that. So, until next video.